Hello, beautiful woman. Day 67. Welcome to Menopause 365, or welcome back to Menopause 365. As always, tongue on the back of your two front teeth. Slowly breathe in and kiss the breath away. Remember, you can do that breath anytime, anywhere to help you get rid of that frazzle. Today we're talking about something simple but powerful, journaling. I mentioned it briefly yesterday and I want to expand on it because this is something that can genuinely help you feel better mentally, emotionally, and even physically. Because during perimenopause, menopause, and the entire aging process, there is a lot going on. There are a lot of moving parts. Your body is changing. Your emotions can feel heightened. Your thoughts can feel overwhelming. And sometimes everything just feels like it's stuck inside your head. I know that you know what that feels like sometimes, and that's where journaling becomes powerful. Because when you write, something happens. But it's in getting it out of your head that it creates space. You gain clarity. You start to understand what's really going on. It's like you expand the boundaries of your thinking. And here's something important. It isn't just about thinking on paper. When you write, you activate different parts of your brain. As you're writing things down, you're activating different parts of your brain. You move from emotional reaction to awareness and understanding. And that shift alone can change how you feel. As I said, it's very powerful. So instead of carrying everything around, you set it free. And here's the best part. You don't need to do it perfectly. You don't need to have the right words. You don't need to feel the right way. You don't need to have the right structure. You just need to start writing. Write what you feel. Write what's frustrating you. Write what you want. Because clarity starts with awareness. And awareness starts with getting it out. Better out than in, as the saying goes. And this is also where journaling connects to everything we've been talking about. Feeling stuck, feeling overwhelmed, not knowing what to do. You see, when you write, patterns start to appear. You're expanding the boundaries of your brain and you start to see, what am I really thinking? What am I really feeling? What is actually going on? And from there, you can start to change things. You can start to, you get clarity on what you need to do. Time to reflect and practice. Do you have your journal? Grab that pen and I want you to write down, what am I feeling right now? What is my biggest frustration right now? What do I really want today and for tomorrow? Answer those questions and just write. Zero judgment, zero editing, zero overthinking. Please remember that you don't need to have all the answers. You just need to start asking better questions. Ask quality questions. And always remember also that you've got everything inside of you right now. You know more than what you think you do. But when you get clarity, everything becomes easier. And this is the part of training your brain. It isn't, as I've said to you many times, it's not just about your body. You're the whole woman, so it's all of these parts. So if you're ready to feel clearer, calmer, and more in control, I want you to start with this. And when you're ready for more, let's create your own personal healthy performance plan. But in the meantime, you're listening, you're learning, you're becoming. I want you to go to the links. I want you to download the health evaluation form. Actually, complete the health evaluation form. Download Ageless and Active. This is the perfect place to start because it's going to give you absolute clarity on how you're feeling, what is going on with your brain and your body, and you're going to get some great tips that you can implement immediately. Start with opening your journal. Start writing in your journal. And every time you come and listen to me here at Menopause 365, bring your journal and your pen. This is so essential for your ultimate health and wellness. Remember, insights create awareness. It's the action steps you take that get you the results that you want, living a healthy, happy, totally fulfilled life today and for the rest of your life. Remember, you're worthy of all things wonderful. Remember, please, to subscribe so that you can get greater insights every single day. Comment. Do you journal? Let me know in the comments. Do you journal? And if not, why not? And if so, what do you gain from journaling? Sharing your story in journaling with us. Because just remember, when you comment, you could be helping another woman as well, right? And share so you can help us help more women navigate this crazy maze of perimenopause, menopause, and aging ever after. Have a wonderful day. Have I already said you're worthy of all things wonderful? If not, I'm going to say it again. You're worthy of all things wonderful. And I'll see you right back here tomorrow.